Parental control on Fire TV stick. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, you'll learn how to set up parental controls on Fire TV stick to prevent accidental purchases and restrict access to certain content. I'll show you the step-by-step process in this video. Let's begin. First step is to access your Fire TV stick settings through this gear icon. I'll grab the remote now. Navigate to Settings and you'll see more options appear below, folks. Press down on your remote and click on the Profile and Account Settings option. Here, folks, scroll down and you'll find Parental Control. Select to confirm. In my case, it's disabled, so we'll activate it by pressing OK. Enter the password, the PIN code when prompted. It will now be activated. Folks, it offers several options like PIN purchase protection. To prevent accidental purchases, keep this option enabled. It also has viewing restrictions, so you can choose your viewing options here. In this case, only free content is available while the others are blocked. Here you also have PIN protection for opening apps. Any app that's opened, folks, will require a PIN. Down here, if you don't have one, you can create or change your PIN security password. Got it, everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.